from Achtung Camper, and today we're going to show you to the toilet.
How to use the compost toilet from Nature Head, which is awesome. Now, so, Layla, if we need to go for a wee, what do we do? Do we lift up the lid first?
Yeah.
And then what do we do? Do we have to do anything or do we just hop on?
We hop on.
Just hop on?
Mm-hmm.
Take your pants off? Pants off, hop on. What do we do then?
And the holes are for the wee.
The holes are for the wee in the front, the holes in the front. So we just wee, that's it. And then get some toilet paper. What do we do with the toilet paper? We can either put it in the bin if we've just done a wee, or in the back cavity, so then we flick that open and we can put it in the big hole, can't we? So we put it in the bin, don't we?
Yeah.
But we don't have to, we can put it in the back. Alright, and now we're going to pretend we have to go for a poo. What happens if we have to go for a poo?
Hop on.
Hop on, or do we open the lid first?
Yeah.
Open the lid and then what?
Then you need to open it.
Open the lever, yep, and then you hop on.
Hop on.
Take off your pants, hop on, do a poo. And then what? Get toilet paper, and where do we put the toilet paper?
In there or in there?
No, with the poo we put it in there, don't we?
Yeah.
And then we close it. Yeah. And then we close the lid. And then what do we do? There's one other thing we do after we've done a poo. Do you remember what that is?
Wash your hands.
Oh yeah, wash your hands. So what do we do with the toilet? Do we spin something around?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a lever down the bottom and we spin it 3 times, don't we?
Yeah.
Which you're doing now. 1, yep, 2, 3.
It's really hard.
Where does a wee go?
That's a good question.
Into here.
Ah,
And where does the poo go?
Into there.
Into the back.
yeah.
That's
So
right.
It's separate, isn't it?
They're separated, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for showing us that. And the most important thing, always wash your hands.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.